Tired of your hair playing hard to grow? Don't worry, we've got you. We'll share the inside scoop on why your lovely locks might be feeling dull, the mystery behind slow growth, and reveal the culprits holding your hair back from growing as fast as you'd like. Let's get those luscious strands flowing. Stress. Stress, the ultimate hair growth buzzkill. When stress barges in like an unwelcomed guest, it brings along its hormone accomplices, including the notorious cortisol. This hormone disrupts the delicate balance of our body's functions, leading to a multiple of unfortunate events. One of its victims, our precious hair growth cycle. You see, normally our hair follicles dance through a rhythmic routine of growth, rest, and shedding. But stress, being the party pooper that it is, pushes our follicles into the rest phase prematurely, which stops the growth process. It's like putting your hair growth on an early retirement. And as a result, our hair growth goes into a snail's pace, and those luscious strands take their sweet time to come out and grace us with their presence. So take out your stress-busting toolkit and get that hair growth back on the fast track. Indulge in self-care by treating yourself to relaxing activities that you love, whether it's yoga, meditation, or a dance party in your living room. Or shake that stress off with regular exercise or pampering yourself with a scalp massage that'll make your follicles happy. Not only does it feel heavenly, but it also boosts blood flow to your follicles, which gives them the signal to kick hair growth into high gear. For the ones who love treating things from the inside, organic aloe vera and ashwagandha are both stress relievers. With these tips, stress won't stand a chance against your hair growth revolution, so get ready to unleash your Rapunzel potential. Scalp conditions. Oh, scalp conditions. You sneaky sabotagers of hair growth. From itchy dandruff to flaky snowfall, they make our scalps an unwelcoming place for luscious locks to thrive. Scalp conditions clog up the hair follicles and suffocate the roots, hijacking the supply of nutrients destined for our luscious manes. No wonder our strands throw their hands up in protest and refuse to grow as they should. To get rid of scalp conditions and unlock turbocharged hair growth, treat yourself with gentle anti-dandruff shampoos, nourishing oils, regular scalp massages, and a sprinkle of patience. Embrace tea tree oil's tingly magic, befriend aloe vera's soothing prowess, and indulge in scalp-nourishing avocado masks. Your scalp will be a thriving garden in no time. We've shared great tips on how to do proper scalp massages in previous videos, so be sure to check it out after this one. Enjoying these tips? Give us a virtual high five by smashing that like button. YouTube will reach out to more people, benefiting everyone, all thanks to you. Nutritional deficiencies. Imagine your hair as a garden party and nutritional deficiencies as gate crashers. Without proper nourishment, those precious strands may suffer instead of growing. Your hair requires key nutrients like vitamins, minerals, and proteins, and without it, your hair's growth potential takes a bad spin. How do you turn things around? Go ahead and feast on vibrant fruits, veggies, and nuts to supply your hair with all the vital vitamins and minerals it craves. Load up on protein-rich foods like eggs, lean meats, and legumes to give your locks the building blocks they need. And don't forget the omega-3 fatty acids from fish, flax seeds, or chia seeds. By packing your diet with all of these hair superheroes, your strands will be ready to hit the fast lane of growth. Lack of proper hair care routine. The lack of a proper hair care routine can act as a mischievous sabotager, which frustrates your hair growth ambitions. Without the nourishment and attention they deserve, your hair follicles can become tired and weak, which leads to a slower growth rate. Neglecting regular cleansing and moisturizing can result in clogged follicles, which stops hair growth like a traffic jam on a busy street. Also, the absence of a proper routine can pave the way for dryness, brittleness, and breakage. When your tresses are left longing for love, they become prone to damage, which leads to hair loss and the dreaded cycle of restricted growth. So how do you fix this? Nourish your strands with a pre-shower oil massage treatment with your choice of hair oils. Refresh your hair and scalp with a good cleanse to wash out the oil and remove all of that gunk of accumulated dirt, dust, excess oils, and product buildup. Moisturize your tresses through conditioning. Every now and then, give your hair a little extra TLC by switching out regular hair conditioner with hair masks and deep conditioning treatments. After showering, opt for a gentle pat-down motion with a soft material towel like microfiber or 100% cotton Turkish towel. Try to air dry your hair whenever you can. Remove tangles and knots from your strands by using a hair detangler that detangles while protecting your precious locks from breakage and damage. This is where you'll love using TangleGenie. This amazing detangler has a unique 360-degree bristle design, which helps you detangle your hair gently without pulling, tugging, or falling out. Be sure to give this amazing detangler a try for tangle-free hair and to escape the heavy damage other detangling methods can cause. Now, you're ready to seal and protect your tresses with leave-in treatments, whether it's leave-in conditioners, oils, or serums. So embrace a proper hair care routine, shower your strands with love, and witness the wonders of vibrant, flourishing hair. Hormonal imbalance. Your hair follicles are like ambitious employees working hard to develop glorious strands, but oh no, here comes those hormones crashing the party with their bad behavior. When hormones mess with your delicate balance, your poor follicles get confused and decide to take a break from their usual hair growth duties. So how do you prevent your hair growth from getting caught in the middle of this hormonal crisis? Unleash your inner health guru with exercise and a nutrient-packed diet. Engage in stress relief activities like yoga or dancing to keep those hormones in line. Treat yourself to some quality beauty sleep because your hormones love it way more when you're well rested. So go forth, you hair maestro, compose your way to faster hair growth. Hair care practices. You might be striving for Rapunzel-like tresses here, but unknowingly, you might be committing hair sabotage. First, meet our arch nemesis, excessive heat styling. Curling irons, straighteners, and blow dryers. These villains strip your hair of moisture and then leave it dry and prone to breakage. Next, we have tight hairstyles, ponytails, buns, and braids pulled tightly, similar to a medieval torture device for your precious strands. The strain and tension lead to weakened roots, receding hairline, and dreaded hair loss. And lastly, chemical overindulgence, another enemy in the hair growth battle. Frequent dyeing, perming, and relaxing treatments weaken your hair structure, making it prone to brittleness and underdeveloped hair growth. How do you fix this? Release your hair's potential by taming heat-styling villains with heat protectant sprays and lower heat settings. Loosen your grip on tight hairstyles and embrace gentler hairstyles. Restore moisture to your strands with oils and deep conditioners. Don't do different treatments piled up in one day, and give your hair a break from one chemical treatment to the other to rejuvenate and regain its strength before the next one. Embrace these practices and watch for the rapid growth of your hair. Get ready to swish and sashay with a newfound hairvana. We've talked more in detail about habits that keep your hair unhealthy and damaged and how you can fix them in previous videos. Be sure to check it out after this one. Want to keep up with all the best tips to achieve gorgeous, healthy hair? Yeah, we think you need to subscribe and turn on that notification bell. Medications and medical treatments. Medications and treatments come with side effects that may make your hair cry. They interfere with the delicate balance of hair growth, hormones, and more, which harm the signals that tell your hair to sprout and flourish. They could even cut the lifespan of each hair strand shorter than usual. It's like they've turned the volume down on your hair's growth playlist, but in many cases, your hair spirit isn't crushed forever. Consult with your trusted hair care provider to guide you on potential alternatives that won't mess with your luscious locks, and look into building hair strength through the right nutrients for your hair. Nourish your mane with vital vitamins and minerals through a healthy diet, and pamper your scalp with love. Treat it to a delightful massage using your fingertips to activate those dormant hair follicles like a spa session for your scalp. Pure bliss. And before you know it, you'll be on your way to healthier hair. Now that you're aware of why these mischievous habits harm your hair, you can find the solution in better habits to fulfill your dreams of Rapunzel-like tresses. Know of any other habits to speed up hair growth or make hair healthier? Drop a comment below so everyone can benefit from it. And be sure to check out this video right here to find out which nutrients and foods are great to boost your hair's health. Happy, healthy hair care!